Welcome back to Kids Zone, our channel fitness enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a crucial aspect of our muscle health journey: muscle spasms. They can be such a nuisance, right? But fear not. We've got a supplement on our review docket that claims to be the ultimate solution. Let's put it to the test. First off, what's in this magical formula? It boasts a blend of key ingredients like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, all known for their muscle relaxing properties. Plus, it's packed with B vitamins to support overall muscle health. Impressive lineup. Right now, on to the real test. I've been incorporating Health Concerns Muscle into my daily routine for the past few weeks, especially after intense workouts. And let me tell you, the results have been remarkable. Gone are the days of those pesky muscle spasms interrupting my training sessions. Thanks to Health Concerns Muscle, I've noticed a significant reduction in muscle tightness and cramping. It's like my muscles are thanking me for the extra support. And let's talk about convenience. The powder form of Health Concerns Muscle makes it super easy to incorporate into my daily routine. Just a scoop mixed with water post-workout, and I'm good to go. No more swallowing multiple pills or dealing with chalky tablets. So, here's the verdict, folks. If you're tired of muscle spasms hijacking your gains, supplement name might just be your new best friend. With its potent blend of ingredients and convenient form, it's a game changer for muscle health. Cheers to happy, cramp-free workouts. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on all things fitness and wellness. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.